Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to update the Opera browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Keeping your Opera browser updated is very important. Updates bring new features, improve performance, fix bugs, and more importantly, enhance security. So let's get started. First open Opera browser and then click on the menu icon in the top left corner, and here select help and then select this one option that says about Opera. That's it. Here Opera will automatically check for updates. If a new version is available, it will start downloading automatically. Please wait while the update downloads and installs. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the update is completed, you will see a relaunch now button. Click on it to restart the browser and apply these changes. After the browser restarts, your Opera will be updated to the latest version. If your browser is already up to date, you will see a message saying that Opera is updated. That's it. This is how you can easily update the Opera browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.